up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs, and as always I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video it's going to be about the ZL1, and there's an issue right over here that we're going to talk about. We're going to waste no time, we're going to make our way straight to the shop. Let's go. And there you go, you guys, just like that. The car is in the air, the wheel is off, so we got that out. I'm going to show you. So I got the wheel back here, so that's over there, and then I got the other one, the tire, in the back seat. Let's make our way to Aaron over at Express Phoenix and get this ball rolling. All right, you guys, and just like that, we have made it back to Express Phoenix, and I got the Kia here ready. We're gonna check up on Aaron, see where he's at inside, so we can get this wheel in there and get it swapped out. Hello. Is anyone home? You're in there? My man, there he is. There he is. This guy, I swear, is always working, man.
I'm sorry.
It's all good, bro.
I'm so sorry.
It's all good, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we're back with Aaron at Express Phoenix. If you guys have not seen the previous video, I'll make sure I tag him in that one. Post it up top. Beautiful setup, of course, as I walk in here. The good thing is, we only have one wheel to do tonight, but it's funny because it reminds me of that video when Aaron was tripping on the inside of that tire, and it's the same exact wheel. But this time, it had nothing to do with any kind of damage that, you know, was with an alignment. It was damage with potholes.
Oh. Ooh, hopefully it's not bent. Where's it at in the car?
Oh my God, he's scaring me already. Yeah, we're gonna go get it now.
Go back to the dungeon and turn the air on.
Yes, sir. What do you think of that tire, though, bro? Like, that's a pretty nice little nugget that it's got there, huh?
It's not that bad.
Bro, this thing.
That's a drift fair now.
That's a drift fair?
Oh yeah.
Don't drift on that. Sketchy as hell. That
You're
is.
gonna blow up the fucking tire before that thing.
Oh my God. Bro, that's beyond sketch to drive around on something like that, bro. I can't do that. It already went down, my friend. Yeah, that was that it right here? You can see the little stress mark right there. Bro, I felt those potholes, dude. There's construction by my house. We get the same exact tire. And look at the tread life, bro. The tire was.
Well, don't look. Maybe a little bit bent. Not very much though.
This one was the one that was slightly bent that we got to do, remember?
Oh.
Yeah, it's got that little scuff somewhere. Right there.
Oh no, but it's like bent.
I know.
You found that last time?
Yeah, right here when we were.
I don't remember. It's been.
Yeah, when we were balancing it.
Going through shit.
He doesn't remember, bro. You know, that's how busy he is. But speaking of how busy he is, yeah, he's constantly working on stuff, curb rashes, powder coating, whatever it is. Are these coated right here?
Yeah, those are gonna get CNC. Those BBSs right there are that's our chrome. That's our powder coat chrome.
Can we get some light? Can we get some light so we can see these? So your powder coating. So if the wheel was black, can you turn it into chrome?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. And then there happen to be some BBS wheels. That's crazy. That's actually really impressive, bro. And I'm not just.
They were beat. Like they were rescued from the bottom of the freaking Japanese river or something. They had corrosion all over them. It was disgusting. Like this whole area was just cancer, because this is normally machined right here.
Yeah.
So it just had like spider webs going under the clear everywhere. Gross.
Bro, that's clean, man. Clean.
It looks fucking nice.
Clean like solid.
Sodded.
Oh yeah. Bro, That's crazy that you can completely change a finish of a wheel. It's very nice.
It's polished pretty much.
It does look polished. Oh, yes, it is. But these are really clean, bro. These are going to get CNC'd, you said?
These are S-Class. These are expensive as fuck. Once I finish restoring them, they're like $800 a piece.
Sheesh. Man, it's a nice little chunk of change.
I did a trade deal, so I fixed the guy's 4G Autos, and he left these here, his stocks.
And this off of Mercedes.
Yeah.
Oh, you see the AMG stamp right there, ladies and gentlemen.
They're nice.
Yeah, those are nice. They're nice.
And they're going to sell
Yes.
pretty quick. Mercedes wheels move pretty quick.
And then the balancing machine. This machine is sick, though. This thing is no joke. So when he powder coats the wheels, you guys, he's literally the only one that I come to if you're brand new to the channel. And he's been doing Optimus's wheels for years for me. Anytime I need his help, I reach out to him. He makes them look brand new once again. And then he has to mount them back on. So he checks your wheel. So if you're bringing your wheel and you're thinking you're good to go, you just happen to be wanting somebody that could swap that tire because the wheel happens to be very wide, a 2 or 3 piece wheel, whatever your setup is. It's like a 20 by 12, 20 by 14, 20 by 13, whatever it is. His machine is top notch. And of course, if he's powder coating wheels, then he's probably gonna put the tire back on just right because I'm sure he don't want to redo that powder coat, right?
Well, sometimes we fuck it up and we have to redo it. It's really not that big of a deal to strip it and do it again.
Do it again. There it is. But when you get the tire, when you get the wheels and tires, it's gonna look good. So either way.
Do it just because I fucked up right here.
Yeah.
Your tire guy scratches it.
Yeah, your tire guy scratches it. They're gonna make you excuses. They're gonna say, "Nah, it came in like that." They always do that.
Wouldn't that drive you fucking crazy?
That
I was
would.
already there.
Yeah.
What?
Yes, sir. Bro, look at the tread on this tire, bro. Oh my.
It's so new still.
It is, dude. It's heartbreaking. When I looked over, I was putting tire shine on it, and I looked over, I was like, "Are you serious? 5 months, 6 months, and I barely drive it,
Yeah, you drove it like 4 times.
and I barely drive it, dude." Saw it.
Put a little bit more on here. You never have too much lube, boys and girls.
Oh my god, dude. Bro, that is a 19 by 11. It's not bad, right?
I just sold some 19 by 11s today on eBay.
There it is.
Some Lamborghini wheels.
Yeah, see?
I discounted them way too much, but
Sell them.
in need of some money. So I'm not trying to collect Lamborghini wheels.
Yeah. And these have a spot that says outside and then inside. So he checked them already, but for you guys out there watching, make sure you check. Some tires have them. They say this side is the outside. You don't want to put them the wrong way. Aaron just brought me in a little area that I have not seen before, but this is like the ultimate wheel stash spot right here. And these are all for sale?
Yeah, I know it looks like I'm trying to hoard them, but I'm not.
Bro, can you run through a couple of these? Like what are these right here?
These are base model Tesla S wheels. That
Okay.
normally are just, nobody wants them. They're like homely. Like they just don't look good in silver. But I did them in chrome, and now I think they look way better.
There it is.
Some McLaren wheels. I actually have a YouTube video for these.
What's the
It's
channel?
Actually posted. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Express Phoenix. At Express, just like all my socials, it's the same.
Got it.
These are newer body Tesla S base wheels. Normally these have a terrible looking wheel cover.
Yeah.
So I did a custom machined lip, dark charcoal powder coat. Then the center cap matches the lip. I think they look amazing. And then they're like 19 by 10 and a half in the back. So
Yeah, it looks really good. I've never seen that.
These are 2015, 16 GTR wheels.
Ooh.
Normally these are the wheels that nobody likes because they're ugly from factory.
Yeah.
But now they look fucking sick.
Damn. So you redid these?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So
Yeah.
so we're gonna have to make sure, you know, they link up with you, and that way you can take care of them, I'm sure, you know, on these prices, because
yeah, they're reasonable.
definitely reasonable, but they're not like used, you know, wheels. They're refinished.
Yeah, they're inspected. They're all straight, and then they've been completely stripped, sandblasted, powder coated, clear coated, because this has to have clear. So this is a base coat and clear coat.
There it is.
So they look good.
Oh yeah, this is sick. This is a nice little stash spot. These are sick too.
Yeah, that's the
Sand
same
black.
wheel with just regular black.
Oh, no way. Okay, so that's the same exact wheel, but full.
And I
Just
have custom center caps. Watch this. Those center caps look so good.
you coated that,
Yeah, it's candy red with black.
dude.
It looks good. This is my favorite.
Candy red.
Black and red. Yeah.
What do you think about?
We got some fucking Chevy truck caps. Same.
What do you think about? Oh man, that looks so good. What do you think about maybe later bringing the supercharger lid to you in candy apple red?
Yeah, we do chrome first and then fucking red on red. That'll look
Oh my
sick.
god, dude. Yeah, I'll make sure that we link all this up right here, and then you guys can message Aaron over at Express Phoenix, and then he'll take care of you guys on these right here. You just tell him what you want, and he'll walk you through it and go from there. All right, you guys, so we're back at the house. What a crazy, crazy thing to actually happen with that tire, but I'm very, very excited that we got down to the bottom of it and I was able to change it out. That way I don't got to deal with it and not be able to drive the car, because I have not been able to drive the car. I just didn't want to take that chance. I've seen way too many videos where they do have the dude will have a blowout and all of a sudden the entire fender is completely gone, the quarter panel, whatever it is. I wasn't trying to be that guy to take that chance. Unfortunately, some of those guys, they don't think that's gonna happen. They just have a blowout. They don't have something like what I did. They just had a regular blowout and all of a sudden that happens. I happen to have a lump on the side wall, and that was a sign right there, do not drive the car. And I just didn't want to take any chances. But needless to say, we got that taken care of. We got that squared away. I'm at the house currently right now with Optimus in the garage. As you can see, if you've made it this far in the video, I have an announcement to make, because there is no car right here behind me. And if you're wondering, where is Superman as we speak? And to be honest with you, the car is with Dyno Comp. Yes, you guessed it right. These guys got my car. They've had the car for about a week now. Believe it or not, by the time I started recording this clip, and they're gonna have it for about another 3-4 weeks. So we're not gonna have the car back anytime soon. Can you guys take any wild guesses what we're finally doing? That's all I could say. On the ZL1, which I'm super excited to share with you guys. And then we got some stuff cooking for Optimus as well. But keep in mind, what's coming for the ZL1 is phases. So this is gonna be phase 2, and each phase that comes is just gonna get crazier and crazier and crazier. So stay posted. If it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment down below about what's coming for Superman. And in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Dilla. Bow! Superman chilling at Dyno Comp. Prep time. Chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.